Show you how to get any ringtone from your library or a YouTube video. First of all, you want to go to Cydia and then add Exalize or any source that contains Anyring. Let's wait a little bit. Let's go to Manage. And then I would recommend Exalize. I really like this repo a lot, but it's up to you. You can add insanely. But okay, just type edit, add, and then type cydia.exit.com and then add it. It's right here. Press the on, then go to search, type Anyring on the search bar, press install, and that's it. Now you want to go to Anyring, and then you can choose your ringtone, text messages, or email. I have this one right now. If you want to change this song, it's just, if you already have a ringtone, you want to press onset. Okay. You want a new one? Go to iPod songs or YouTube, whatever you want. Songs. Then you choose a song. You can even adjust it right here. And you press done. And then for spring. And you're all set up. Thank you.